Okay guys, so today we're gonna clean this Dyson DC44 animal brush roll and Powerhead. So I'm gonna show you guys how just really pushing the longevity of your vacuum along and just doing something as simple as cleaning out these pads, how much nicer the vacuum looks, smells, how it works and everything like that. So we'll be right back, guys. So here, as you see, we're getting ready to clean up this Powerhead. I've just removed the brush roll. So all of these brush rolls have these little turn knobs on the side of them. And you can see where they have the lock and unlock. So you just turn them to the unlock position and then pop your brush roll out. Now I have cleaned off this brush roll just a little bit. This thing was full of hair, but I'm going to show you how clean we can get this brush roll and what we can do to this Powerhead. Okay guys, so here is the finished product of that Dyson DC44 Powerhead. So you can see how clean, nice clean brush roll. Okay, so now we're going to put the whole vacuum together, test it, and show you guys what it sounds like and looks like.